Today, we will be installing the warm board system within this renovation property. Ensure that the floor is level and that all debris has been cleared. With all jobs, Solfex Energy Systems will provide you with warm board and end support layout plans. These will show you exactly where to place the end supports within the room and where you'll need to snap the end support sections, which are already on the end support. So there's absolutely no guesswork. The end support has multiple fixing points we can use. Just note the floor type in your situation. Wood floors may require pilot holes and concrete floors will need raw plugs fitting. The end supports slot together really easily using the interlocking connections. In areas you need to cut down the end support, you simply need to score down the recess and flex until the support snaps. Continue fixing these to the floor according to your plan in the same fashion. Take your first warm board and butt it up against the first two end supports, checking that all the channels are aligned. Use a brush to clean the edge, which the second board will be installed against. Take your second board and clean all edges. Run a 3mm bead of glue along the edge of the warm board and push it up against the first warm board, using a small cut of pipe to line up the channels. Make sure you remove any excess glue from the boards. When you reach the last board, you may need to cut the warm board panel down. Measure the gap that is left and mark using a pencil and a straight rule. When cutting the warm boards, you must be in a well-ventilated area, using safety goggles and mask. When you come to starting the second row, stagger the boards, so that they will form a brick-like pattern once installed. Repeat this process until the desired area is covered. All unheated areas will need a board of equal thickness to level the floor. Now that all the boards are down, the next step is to install pipe into the system. We are going to use a pipe decoiler for this, although it's not essential, but it does make the job a lot easier. Your pipe layout design provided by Solfex Energy Systems will provide all the information you need. Run the connecting pipe through the end supports to the area which your circuit begins. Feed the pipes into the warm board channels, ensuring the pipe is not protruding from the board. Your circuit should come to an end back at the manifold location. You can cut the pipe here, but make sure you have enough to reach to the manifold connections. You can now fit pipes to the manifold connections. To do this, place a Euro connis on the pipe and insert the Euro fitting into the manifold and tighten the nut. Repeat this for all the manifold connections, as we've already done. Now, you're ready to fill the system. Attach hose pipes to both of the drain-off valves. The flow hose should be attached to a mains water tap and the return to a bucket or drain. Open the first circuit flow meter and decorator cap fully, and begin to purge the circuit until all air has been removed. Once you're happy there is no air left in the circuit, close the decorator's cap first, then the flow meter. Continue this process until all the circuits are clear of air. To pressurize the system, we bring it up to 3 bar and hold for 10 minutes. If after 10 minutes the underfloor heating system shows no leaks, increase the pressure to 6 bar and hold for 1 hour. If this holds, return the system to normal system pressure. Your warm board underfloor heating installation is now complete, and you can proceed to fit the rest of the floor. Warm board is suitable for virtually all floor finishes. Please ask the manufacturer on how to install them if you're unsure.